biggest radio station in Ghana. And despite media, it's the biggest media firm in Ghana. That is why we have been able to produce an elected MP. And the Honorable Alexander Kwesiapa, Honorable Pijamwansa. What do I want this and why no piece of him? It is here to introduce a piece of him for the year. Yet to be in film. No, I am performing a control piece of him. I'm a woman of Bakona to it. The name of the from Nami Biazo or maybe first, no, Nayapa. I am mere penny. Most of them are manners and a question for you. But be up to very simple cry. Yes. Mike. All as a wajima. Once you are man, a piece from sports or so, and I go for those wine. I will be one to say home. I know the DC of one side be about to persuasion. Honorable Paul as a wajima. Thank you. Honorable, you do see catch it, and then we are very home. Sadia Mekan, Peace FM, UTV, OKFM, Peace FM itself, Peace FM online, and Peace FM. You have 300. And you wait a minute. Now, I feel some wish here. Ubia Wusia, Ubia Boko Crew, Ubia Gwen, the Tumania Yadi. And so, anybody be said, only play. And so, we do young about the time to be Echi. And so, make day. And that's a woman, oh, my Hada, I'm in the Kroma. I'm going to say, hey, I want to go to this in the radio. I said, I'm going to go to Nachamo. When you go to what? Probably say, ah, I'm going to say, hey, I've been telling you, or down, I'm so more down. I can tell you that. Mike, and I'm saying, I'm going to be able to grab my grab me. It is that you're going to be the radio. Nana Wabu Kotine, Nana Kuma, Aduma Kuma, Abra, Padarumo. What would be considered in answer? Abu Korea in 4 blood. People with demons and one neighbor, Vanaya Orchestra. Only my whole piece of them. Catcher, we are seeing answer. Abu Korea in 4 blood. Now by your 4 blood, that is all. The Yazam and Kayana Abu Fire Sakra, got to port the tap. That's your Yazakara. But the woman was the man that's fighting your mammy answer. I want to be here. Yes. Never Papa me, who fear the AJ, and went to the KT of a Cobronia. Also, I get at me nothing. Ah, Aja, my piafo. Papa Penny, Papa Nechi, and Marco and 9. You're very confused, AJ. A nickname, a teacher. So, a new. I can't remember to I can't remember. Let me do the introduction of my people from Peace FM. What you can see. You will be there on social media. So, Abuabuha, now there's so many radio crowd, Fonso, wait to Peace FM, wait to Peace FM. So, social media, no, a brand here about Kukwa Nice, on Nodano, your friend Peter Square, or Sarah Despite, in the Tianica, now on 20. I celebrate about Peter Patobre, Nami Peter Swab, blah. Mom Sama Peter Swab. That's right. Yeah. Oyan Kenny, or Mawa Chimem had that. And come from them to buy. And Marcus away. Langa, to what you buy Langa. Peter Swab, original hair, who was that? You do you, or your chili, I will feel your chimney. Never on Conicro. This is the honorable as a wajima. Ever catch me say, Odi, Unia Kume, or your chin, or Maniku, to make tennis, honorable Mewana. Or to a first after now, the so better. Or to a no one every year to open the man up of fame. Or you don't be. The family, the great Isaac Udu. Mommy Sama Isaac Udu. Isaac Patobre. Solinti on a man with a bag. I just know. Yeah. The great coach Agaria. Then it is someone nature the better to. They are thinking of Abukoma. We are the teaching. atie ababu tu ya kwa babu beli plan ya kwa fi SSC no tre akali me ko titiya eno come swing the ball but to me this swing the ball ya boy you can do come and kru na me ma dem for kwande and dem for go nyina na no ba mami na ngari nyanya swing the ball no ye say na me o si kampo no bon any professor secretary swing the ball say can you young man swing the ball the agari nyanya mambo ni di radio so ano ono a do so no for nimpon enye nche no for people and oba no peace FM yen kase ba ye kinkan nyina adia afa ye pani ba ko nsem so ono ama ho kwan a wudi odi an kan yo wodi hwan yo ya de beba radio ni so a hierarchy in this so ono no that Peace FM news ano he is the news editor Tinsema muti yi no dia nkan kasa wa ekosho gwagwa ji wo be akokon kwan radio so ta branta na ansa se we ema na nkreni we abobuni a mo ene nye sansa branta bi be na kiremi onu kura na nije sansa wo hwese ukudukuru ma rebe ho enso wani je krono ya fraho amehame awa kroni ni din we know please, where do you come from? I come from Mehame. I don't be so how. We don't do a problem. And Mehame. Nana Yao Kesi, the news editor of Peace FM. That's right. I'm Mehame Bogana. I'm sorry, Anthony Patrick. I'm not a piece of a book for no Shaman. And I think I know what to go to the election. I'm going to go to Obi ka se Peace FM nya oboa e ho ye papa me bi ko Peace FM bicycle na mi twi ate so wunya kwata se na ka so wu ma ma se Peace FM so ya juma no ya ma Peace FM ya number 1 se ye tie ho ase ti se me kokoro bi me na ntia se ni ho na wo ya bofra na wo kire wadwen ne pese e ka wo sha na ya me ya se wo ma nipa me kan feelings a e bia no wo chia no matene no ebe na de o kan so no e di yede be de e beba peace ye strength ba ko no ye dodo ye ho ye di ye ho akro ye sire ye ho obia ye pani obia woni kakrawa now Onunyanfo chose Asante NDC parliamentary candidate I will tell my chimada and ono so eban o ye menyonko o ye menua ono ase obeba ono no to so bienu akwesi akwa de di first and I can see we pop and the Peace FM a man doso me man doso na mame ba kutu na nisi me so wa branti me no gine nyonyo amafo na kwente odisha na me gina mi se kusie na no me yesterday station mapapo abu mi esipoi na mo from me me kwetia odi tie Peace FM akusia boabo age wasi woni modi ankan na hu abo akusia eno ana odi ankan afra kuma mana kusie di adi no omode sirimi aduma mu ho bi afema kusie na msema me fa mo adwen bi fra boabo mani da ho obi metima to odi a na so no ho enti se me di kusie dia me maame de den kusie maame ti uba Peace FM na so hwe kusie a eyemea na wo pe kusie maame a akosua ago apo achi anti akosua be that's right yeah ti we woni panifo a o ma be gina the despite media anem ifrin kan so betai omunua achi obra nyakopan ya dom ne de ahenkan 93.3 FM apipi mu abo ansama ya kan nyina live or radio no so to mo manti mama ni nyina o mu tie live na me kwae man ka bi de kwa nkokora nkenye o sabo abofo eti akosu agwo agene o meti na ya okesene no meti amoku yi enso ne na ya okese over to you Mr. Ade akosu ho okay abaja so be say ne say na ba ko Empany for we dey me mamu nyina aju enenso eye ni gini ahohoaho a
say ya baby pia ha yanka se ye nua be ma odi ahenkan kusie mia me banono ye adwuma kama ye de odo na ye adwuma entene ye ni aso se nyame apija no de na konkan na waba krum abeye japade bi se ya etiseye etie ban a ye betan na chi ye de yakoma ne adwene mpai kwata na chi se adwuma na every ye die mu nko ye die mu na adehye madaworo manso maya de mo amudie mu enti mu nsum na enyini na enye kese ye de mo se na ye bae no na ya kese se 4 plots now or chairman north south east and west but I don't know who's assassin and 4 plots 1 acre this year me man na ya kese me da mo nyina ase
Obenbon and then 24 we must say and what can I say the kind and okay odi ankai kwa me yeboa enu ya no ye ne na adwuma e wo Peace FM na se no sika na Peace FM ade ba kwa me ye demo sonko ne se ye hu ye ho se ye adwuma yefo ye hu ye ho se ye abusia enti se obi hu ka ye nyina ye ho aka enti se kroketwa te se aboabo What me chire mo mama beti ase e mama re mfi se me meti hai Obenbon sintim boku na me enti me nimpon ha ti de me kan nyina me nim de me ka kosi mo pa mo kan chire me se asase a ye gina so yi Obenbon sintim boku ka se enko fi a obi betimi atena ha aha e so Obenbon ase aha ti mo to mo na mo jaja wa wo hye Eti odi ankan ebo ya manie se Obie FM station esi e de nyame ase krom kuma bi musa no nyama etimi ma ahokeka ba ho no bi eno no titro ni se yenia Alexander Kwasi akwa ya fancy da pisa fe ye nya atomfo ye pa ye se pe Kwasi yenia edi kan so aka kire mo se Peace FM adwuma ye no ye se abusia ti Kwasi ni ho ba dom abusia no sabe Kwasi fi ase fo ase so a despite media ye be sie no because we ye hye ti ye nyina be bana ya ba beboa ti be na wo twi mienu ni me amdi kan ba ha sei contractor no wo ye kwan na wa sei no Midwest Contract Works ye na ye adwuma ti se no di chairman no na me nim se ade no wo aboabu fie because I can say FM station no ewo aboabo 4 court me the man shall go school me ha me but you can say 4 court wa say anim ho ana me bua ade no na anim ho sa ahemfie na anim ho ana bedwam ho sa na 4 court me sere mi bisa wo na be na mfikyire e be ye 4 court oh na be tutu mu sa chencha nessa who pay your budget in the market that is him. Papacho, Mate, Nana, Wapacho, the Fiat Yabotono, can never do two, Papa, Branabeji, next time. Hey! What happened? Nana Kobu, that's the one. Somebody, what should I win in check? So the name in check. A friend Nanakobu, that's the one. On to me, I was upon. Opa Monkanjere, just say, I will be actually Joseph. So no answer, I will bet you know. Yes, upon, yes, I say. Pame, Baje, I am guy 93.3. Musugani, I am guy 93.3. The best in the day. The great cast, the great assas, the great. What is the Prempe? The mighty Prempe also that. You can Prempe that ho. I hang kind FM. What's it? the best in the East are Bozege.